the benefits of turtle pose. First of all, you should do this exercise before doing any pose or exercise you do. Because this pose stretches stretches your whole body and to do other exercises. So now let me tell you the benefits. This stretches your legs, your thighs, your hip area, your inner thigh, your hamstrings, your back and your arms. So and many other. So now let me show you how it looks like. So you just have to do this. I'll just do it for 6 seconds and come. Okay, so guys, always when we do an exercise, we should do prep exercises. To learn an exercise, you should learn it in like steps. So I'm gonna tell you the step 1 to learn this exercise. So now you have to come to the side split. I call it a side split. So you have to open one side of your leg and fold the other. And then just give a stretch over there that you can bend forward. Just give a stretch. Yeah, now you can just bend forward. So we'll do it 4 times. Over here we'll do it 2 times. And at the other leg we'll do it 2 times. Okay, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, if you're not comfortable, you can touch your head. But if you are comfortable, you can touch your chin as it's a better stretch. It stretches your body a little bit more. So let's do it with the other leg. Just make sure your legs are pointed. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god, my hair are too long. They just come in front of my eyes. Okay. Again, same with the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we're just gonna sit crisscross and just give a stretch. We have to do it 2 times. 10 seconds hold, and let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So guys, now let's go to do, now it's time to do the third one. So now you just come in a Padmasana. Make sure you're sitting on your legs. So now you can just open your legs a little. So now we'll count, we'll do it 4 times. 1, we'll do it like that. And when I count till 10, when I'm done counting till 10 once, you can just open them and then go forward like that. First you have to do like that, and then you can just go forward. Okay, so let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's an easy one. You don't have to bend your back that much. It helps just if your back is very stiff, you can just start with that and do that. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you just have to come in a now for the final thing, you have to come in a butterfly pose, and you just have to bend forward that you can easily put your hand inside your leg right here. So you just gonna bend. Make sure you're touching the ground. Just stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now you have to put your hand in like that. And same with the other hand. So just go forward and just count till 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do it 2 times. Okay? So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I felt the stretch on my arm. Like I could see it was a little bit hurting here just because I was going in, and you know it stretches your arm a little bit. So yeah, that you'll get a little bit pain here as it's stretching, but that's okay. So if you practice it daily, you will be able to do it perfectly. You know, you won't have any pain over here or here. So now, guys, the last step again is you to subscribe and like my video. Bye.